In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a PDF in Gmail using your PC or laptop. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the web browser and then go to gmail.com. And then normally click on this pencil icon to compose an email. Now enter the email address where you want to send the mail. Now provide a subject. And now normally click on this attach file icon. And now select the PDF from your PC. I'm choosing this differentiation formulas, clicking on this open button. And after selecting the PDF, normally you have to click on this send button. Now, if you want to check if the email has been sent or not, click on this send button. And here you can see that the PDF has been sent to that email address. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.